Building a product is not an easy feat. I would say it's an Himalayan task, but we decided to go forward. We selected passionate team members who can build this product. We developed our technologies from ground up. It took us 2 years to build everything from scratch. Finally, it pays off. We developed two patents so far in the e-bike powertrains and continue to advance our technology and the product. We invested more than $100,000 in the state-of-art R&D center for testing the motors and mechanical systems, so that our customers will have a peace of mind while using our product. Today, TAV is an innovative e-bike powertrain manufacturing company based in Australia. I would like to mention and thank South Australian government for their continuous support during our development phase. They are the first believer of our company.
Ebike Future Conference 2022.